everybody, I'm Alyssa, and we're gonna be doing a special video today. It's about for my cousin Tara. If she has itis, where she go at? The doctors have diarrhea, throw up. What will she have? What does it mean when she's sick? What kind of sickness does she have? What happens? She might go to the doctors, throw up, or have diarrhea.
Oh, really? And what else happens?
She can't drink a lot, she can't eat a lot, she can't eat cookies a lot, she can't eat nothing a lot if she has that. Gives me presents. That means if she loves me. I watch your YouTube channels on my DT's iPad, and I saw you when you went to the doctors when you had that shot right here.
Oh yeah? Were you worried?
Yeah, I fainted.
Oh no, why did you faint?
Because I didn't want you to have a shot or go to the doctors. My brother, he got sick. He had to go to the doctor. He had a shot and he cried. She might have that. That's why I'm worried. The tumor stomach. What happened to him?
I didn't get it yet.
You didn't get it there.
No, so they're gonna put one in.
They're gonna put one.
They're gonna do what?
They're gonna put your tuna in your body someday. I don't know.
Oh.
I'm a part of her family, but I don't live in her house.
Do you still love me even if I'm sick?
Yeah.
What's your
My favorite part is when you bring me presents and when you take me to the park and you take me to McDonald's and bring me presents a lot. No, that's it. Bye, guys. Oh, one thing. Why does my sister wear a wig?